Hi, has it been difficult to stay motivated during lockdown? I know with the second wave, it has been tricky, but I have created the best way possible to stay productive and sane, no matter what is going on right now. My first recommendation is that when you wake up, you take the time to stretch your body deeply. It would allow your blood to flow, and while you're at it, take a couple of deep breaths. The second one is to make your bed as soon as you get out of it. It will make you feel like you've already achieved something and give you a sense of order. Number 3, whether or not you are still commuting and going to the office, get dressed and get ready. And while you're doing so, enjoy it. Put some uplifting music, choose outfits that make you feel good, and feel that water in the shower. Number 4, please do not check your phone as soon as you wake up. Avoid social media, avoid the news, and do not look at your emails. Set a convenient time for it, even if your work requires it. Do not start your day watching the news or social media. Number 5, when you get down to those tasks that you have to do, stay within the process. Do not multitask. Do not let your mind fly away with the outcomes and what you have to do next. It will make each and every single one of those processes easier, more efficient, you will feel more energetic, and you will finish them faster. Number 6, make sure that you include a daily routine of some kind of physical exercise. Anything that is easy for you, anything that is easy to include. But the fact that many people are not going to the office anymore, our body is doing a lot less than before. So make sure that you include exercise in your daily routine because it releases dopamine in the body, and dopamine is a happy hormone. It makes you feel good. So just for the sake of that, make sure to include 15 to 20 minutes to the least. 10 if this is pushing it for you to start with. But trust me, the more you do it, the more you're going to appreciate it, the more you're going to do it. Number 7, make sure that you keep your meals and that you feed your body at the right timing. And during that time, block everything off. Just take the time to appreciate and taste your food while you're feeding your temple and your sacred body. Now here's my last one. And this is a magical one. The best way to uplift yourself is to uplift somebody else. This is something I do maximum every 2 days. I make sure that I block the time to speak to one of my friends, either somebody who can use the company or a good friend, to check on them, to see how they're doing, to have uplifting conversations with them, to energize them. Because the fastest and most efficient way to create happiness within is to make somebody else happy. With that said, I hope this video helped you guys. Please do comment below and let me know how you stay productive and how this video has served you. Please let me hear from you. Comment below, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more coming up and I cannot wait to see you on the other side. Ciao, ciao!